Hello and welcome. Today we will learn about group and distribution lists in Office 365. Also, we will practically learn how to create a group and distribution list. So let's get started. First of all, you will need to log into your Office 365 account and then click on admin option. From Microsoft 365 Admin Center, you will just need to expand that groups tab. You can expand that tab by just clicking on groups. After that, you will need to click on groups. From there, you will see an option to add a group. Just click on this option and you will see there are several options like Office 365 distribution, mail enabled security and security. In this video, we will learn about distribution list and Office 365. So let's get started with distribution lists. So distribution list is, you can say, a quicker way to send emails to a project team, to a community, or to multiple peoples. Okay, for example, suppose there are 50 members working on a project and you need to send some project related information to those 50 members. So what you can do is just create a distribution list and add those 50 members to the list. Now just send the information to the distribution list and it will be received by each member of the project. So now we will understand how can we create a distribution list. So just to select that distribution and click on next button. Now you will need to give a name to your distribution list. I am giving project 1. You can enter the description if required and then click on next button. Now you will need to enter a group email address. Okay, group email address is that will be used to refer your distribution list. So if you need to send some information to distribution list, you will need to send it to group email address. Okay, I am giving it project to one at the rate and then I will need to click on next. Now review and finish adding the group. Okay, now new group created. Now click on close. Now what will we need to do? We will add members to that group. Just click on that refresh button and see. Now I need to click on projects and then I will need to add members to that project. So for that, click on members and then view all and manage members. I need to click on add members. I can select, suppose I am adding these 3 members to my list and I will click on save button. So I have successfully created the distribution list and I have added these 3 members to the list. Now we will see how it actually works. Okay, for that I will need to go to my Outlook. From there I will send a new mail. In the to information I will enter the distribution list email ID, that is project 1 I think. Okay, then I will add an information. And I will click on send button. Now see, I have received that mail, but I have not sent it to me. This is because I have already added myself to the distribution list, and that's why I have also received the same mail. So this is the purpose of distribution list. Hope you have understood the same. Now we will understand about groups. So for that we will again click on add group, and then we will select Office 365, click on next, we will enter group name. Now I am giving the group name as team. So you can enter the description if required, and then click on next button. You can assign owner. Okay, for that I am assigning it Harsh Dixit as the owner now. Then click on next. Group email address. I will give an email ID like team, and I will make that group private so that only team members can see my group content. And then click on next button, and then create group. Okay, then click on close, refresh that panel. Now we need to add members to the team group. So for that, just click on team group, then members, view all and manage members, add members, and now I am adding again 4 mailboxes to this group, and then click on save button, and then click on close. So now where this team group will be visible, we need to check that. This will be visible from our mailboxes. So now just refresh our mailbox, and see in the groups tab you will see a mailbox with team group, a folder with team group. Now what you can do, you can just send email to that group. You can start a new conversation, you can upload new files to your SharePoint, you can share files, you can connect your apps. So this is all about distribution lists and group. Hope you like our work. Please share, subscribe and like our video. Thank you.